Good evening, everyone. I hope all of you are doing fine. Yes. So, our today's session is talking about division with polynomial by monomial. Right? So, what is a polynomial? One or more terms. Expression with one or more terms. And a monomial is one term. Right? One term expression. So, our next step is okay, our question has appeared on the screen. We have to divide it. So we have to divide this by this. How are we gonna do? Actually, let me tell you all, we have to use the common factor method in this case. How do we do with that common factor method? I hope you all can see that over here the common factor is A. Another common factor do you find? No? Okay, I'll be teaching how will that work. Okay, so just keep patient and wait and watch what goes on. Okay, so our question is 4a cube minus 10a square plus 5a divides to a. So what you are going to do is the first step. This can either follow an identity also. So there are some chances of this following identity. So first we'll see that whether this follows an identity or not, and then we'll do. Okay. Okay. I hope you all understood this also. I hope that's not following an identity. The basic thing which we can do is just cancel out the, just we'll take the common factor now. For the first thing, we'll take the common factor method, okay? So what is the common factor A? So it will be 4a square minus 10a plus 5 by 2 into a2a. So a and a can't cancel. So it's good, right? We have already cancelled. Do you know that it's one more method is there to solve using except the common factor method? First, let me teach you that method. It's we can write this. Let me just copy down the question one more time. Square plus 5a divides 2a. So what you can do is you can take each term by 2a minus 10a square by 2a plus 5a by 2a. This you can do for each term when it's polynomial by monomial. Okay, so what you do, 2 ones are 2 twos are a1 cancels, so over here it will become a square. Okay, a cube divides a is equal to a square, right? 3 minus 1 is 2, so it will be a square. Remember, next thing is the next thing is 2 ones are 2 fives are a1 cancel, so it will be a to the power 1 or a. Then a and a cancel 5 by 2, so you can just take this now. It will be 2a square minus 5a plus 5 by 2. So this is the case. So in this case, what do you do next? Okay, so do you find any sort of identity that can be followed over here? Do you find? No, all right. So what you do in this case, this remains this itself. This is the answer actually. This is the answer you'll get, and the thing is you stop it over here. Then taking it to minus and doing it all, that will be confusing. So it's better if you stop it over here, and this is the answer. Okay. So we have basically done polynomial by monomial. So now we'll be solving another question. A square plus AB minus AC divides minus C. So what I'm going to do over here, you can notice the common factor to be A. So what you are going to do, we can take minus A also outside because this is minus A, so we have to cancel. So I'm using the common factor method over here. Okay, because the previous sum I had taught you, the previous question I had taught you with some other method. So common factor method is minus A. If you take outside, what will be over here? Minus A plus B, not plus B, minus plus need to be B, and this will be plus C. by minus a. So minus a and minus a cancelled. Her answer is equal to minus a minus b plus c. Did you understand? By taking the common factor, and just keep a note of signs. You have to analyze it, like minus into minus, it will be plus, so it will be, then minus into minus, it will be plus, and then minus plus minus, it will be minus. So what sign should be inside? You have to analyze it. Okay, this is done. Do we have another question to solve? Yes. So there is another question. 5a square b minus 15ab cube plus 10a cube b to the power 4 divides 5ab. So in this case, we can follow the common factor method, and it will be very helpful. Let me teach. Let me explain it. Common factor method. So over here, the common factors are a, b, and 5. You can see, because 5 into 1 5, 5 into 3 15, 5 into 2 10. So 5 a b is the common factor over here. Alright, so what will be remaining inside for this? It will be a, okay, then it will be 5a square b, correct, minus 3b square, okay, it will be minus 15ab cube, right, plus 2a square b cube by 5ab. Now you can cancel these because here there is a multiplication sign, so that's why you can cancel it. If it was a plus or minus sign, then you cannot cancel it. Okay, so your answer is equal to a minus 3b square plus 2a square b cube. So we are done with our polynomial by monomial also. I hope you enjoyed it. In the next session, we'll be learning polynomial by polynomial. Did you understand that how did I solve it? I used the common factor method in this question. For the previous question also, I used the common factor method, but for this I used like grouping, and we did it. So I hope you understood it. For now we are done. Thank you. Bye.